In this guide, you'll learn how to fix iOS 26.5.1 update not showing. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and has at least 50% battery or is plugged into a charger because updates won't appear if your device is not ready. Next, go to Settings, then head over to the option General, then tap Software Update. If nothing shows up, pull down on the screen to refresh the page and wait a few seconds. If it still does not appear, restart your iPhone and check again because a simple reboot can force the update server to resync. Next, check storage on your device. For that, head back, click on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough space since low storage can hide or delay updates. You should also make sure you are not on a beta profile. Go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management and remove any beta profiles if installed. Next up, reset your iPhone. For that, head back, scroll all the way down, click on the option Transfer or Reset, click on Reset Network Settings and complete the process. This will help if the update server is not loading properly. Finally, if the update still does not appear, connect your iPhone to a computer and try updating through Finder or Mac or iTunes on Windows, which often forces the latest update to show up. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.